Now, to be approved for the TikTok creativity program, in order to actually make money from the views that you are getting on TikTok, you need to meet these requirements, which are to have a US-based account, be at least 18 years old, and have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. And I'm honestly not in the US right now. So what I did is I just used a VPN, and VPN essentially stands for Virtual Private Network. And if you go to Pure VPN or use the link from the description below, you can essentially not only secure your data and secure your privacy while browsing online and also access different things that may not be available in your country, but you can also trick TikTok into thinking that your account is in the US or any other country. So what you can do is you can just click on Get Secured Now, and if you use the Max plan, which is $3 a month, you can actually use this code Dave. So you can click on here to have a coupon code, and then just type in Dave and click Apply, and you can save 10% on your purchase with the coupon code Dave. And VPNs, again, not only allow you to change your location and IP address so that you can stay secured online and also finesse TikTok into thinking that you are in a country where you're actually not, but it also allows you to access content that, again, is not available in your country. For example, if you want to watch something on Netflix that's only the US show, then you can just change your location to the US and watch it. And same kind of goes for any other country. Anyways, once you have the VPN set up and running, it's time to actually talk about 6 different TikTok niche ideas. Number 6 is my favorite one, and you will see exactly why. But the first one is actually all about posting AI motivation videos. You see, this account over here has 400,000 followers and is probably doing over $1,000 a day posting faceless TikToks. And they're essentially just using AI voiceover, they're adding different captions, and they have these stock videos and animations showing up on the screen, and they sometimes get millions of views. Now, to create something like this, you can pretty much just go to ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to write like 10 short motivational speeches for TikTok, and then what you can do is you can just copy one of these, so you can use it as an actual script. You can then go to 11 Labs, which is this AI tool to generate realistic voiceovers.